Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to brake better with these 4 simple steps. In this video, I'll be going over 4 simple steps that you can use to brake better. Now, obviously, braking is a very important part of driving because it is what allows you to slow down. If you don't know how to brake properly, you're going to be rear-ending people and you're going to be getting into many accidents. So this is a very important lesson, and I'm going to be going over 4 simple steps. This will probably be short and sweet, so pay attention and smash that like button. Give it a nice smash on the like button. Step number 1 is plant your foot. Now, I'm not talking about planting it like a hydrangea or a perennial. I'm talking about planting it on the ground here. Obviously, there's no soil here, but by that I mean I want you to just get your foot planted down. Now, obviously, like I said, there's no soil, but by that I mean you want to plant your foot down. Now, if I'm braking and my foot is not planted and I'm going like this, I cannot brake effectively. But if I plant my foot down right here, my heel has a consistent spot on the ground, and all I need to worry about is pivoting. I'm not moving multiple joints like this. I'm just worrying about pivoting right here, just like that. So I'm just pivoting. And by planting your foot on the ground right there, it's going to allow you to brake much better. It's just going to allow you to have a more consistent braking experience. Now, you'll notice that you're going to find like a little sweet spot. For you, it might be a little bit further forward, a little bit further back. But, you know, for me, like, I'm just going to pretend I'm driving here, vroom, 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 and then, okay. So this is like my sweet spot right here. You're going to find that sweet spot for you and plant your foot there. That's step number 1. Simple step number 2 is have a consistent pressure and a consistent speed on the pedal. So basically, if I'm like braking and I'm starting off slowly and then slamming the brakes, I don't have a consistent speed. And if I'm like, oh, I don't know what's going on here, I'm going in and out, then I don't have a consistent pressure. You want to literally have a consistent pressure and speed. So if I was driving, it would look something like this. As you can see right there, I had a consistent speed from when I started pressing the brake pedal to when I finished, okay? And I had a consistent pressure. I'm not like going in and out like that. I just find that sweet spot. And you'll see with the last step that I outlined, that's what's going to help you actually have that consistent pressure and speed. Now, step number 3, I'm going to bring the camera up over here. Step number 3 is actually going to be on to focus on a braking landmark ahead. So right now I'm parked in a parking spot and there's a fence in front of me. So obviously I'm not going to be driving and braking. But let's just say that I needed to brake behind a car, and that car was right beside a light post. I would focus on that light post and imagine an imaginary line in front of that light post, and I would be braking before that light post. So you want to not only use the actual vehicle that you're braking, but you want to also use the things beside them, and also the car that you're braking behind is actually the landmark as well. So you're going to use that. You want to use the things that you're focusing on for braking to help you estimate your braking distance. And simple step number 4 is by far the most important one, and it's going to be that practice makes progression. So basically, you know, if you're a beginner driver, I don't expect that you're going to be good at braking. You're probably like this, I don't know what to do, and you're slamming your brakes and you're not braking enough, then slamming them. That's 100% normal, and it's 100% acceptable for learning. But when you practice, you're going to keep getting better. So what I want you to do is just continually practice braking. Go into a parking lot and practice braking at, you know, 20 kilometers an hour, then 30 kilometers an hour, then 40 kilometers an hour, 50 kilometers an hour, and so forth. And use different braking landmarks. Pick some lines in the parking lot and use those to help guide you with your braking. And that's it. Those are honestly the 4 simple steps to help you brake better. If you want to be a better driver, hopefully these will help you do just that. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.